I'm out here in one of my favorite new spaces, ready to get it all set up and show you guys my outdoor porch space. So a few weeks ago, I asked you all about outdoor curtains and what your thoughts were on a few different options. I partnered up with Nicetown curtains and we found an amazing solution for this outdoor space. I really wanted that like linen look with the texture of linen and the feel, but because I live here on the West Coast, I needed something that was waterproof. So my solution was these waterproof linen looking curtains, and we're gonna line this whole space with these curtains, make it really cool, really private, and really special. So I'm bringing you along. Let's start decorating.